How to customize the Samsung keyboard background and key colors on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, we're going to need to install the Good Lock app and Theme Park. So you can install the Good Lock app from the store, Galaxy Store. So search for Good Lock. And then just simply install Good Lock from the Galaxy Store. And you also need to install Theme Park. Okay, so Theme Park. So if you open up Good Lock, there should be a module called Theme Park. Just simply tap on it and then download it. So that's just another add-in module. So I have already installed it. So now I can simply just tap on it to open. Okay, so once you open up Theme Park, you go down at the bottom here and tap on Keyboard. Then tap on Create New. And then from here, you can customize your keyboard. Now you have a lot of controls in here, so you can customize the buttons. So over here, we've got saturation. You want to drag it over here to give you more colors and also transparency. Just drag over here, drag it all the way to the right to give you a full color spectrum. And then select a color and then tap on OK. So here, this is a pop-up key. So when you tap on the keyboard, it will pop up and it shows a color. Here, we can customize that color as well. Tap on OK. And then this one here, we can change the color to say yellow. And tap on OK. So we got the background, the whole background keyboard. Here, we can also change the color to blue, say. So you can see that's the key color. That's the background color. Here are different individual keys that you can also customize. So that is the shift key and the return keys. You can customize them as well. Here you can customize the spacebar key. So that's the color of the key, text. So the keyboard text key. So you can customize the color as well. And then we got this one. So this one here, we change different color, dark green. Tap on OK. Okay, so now that we have set all the different colors on your keyboard, then what you want to do is tap on the save button or the download button. Here, give it a name. So let's say keyboard number 3, and then tap on OK. So here you need to tap on it to apply. So tap on it and then tap on applied. Now go back to the home screen and let's open up the keyboard. So I'll go to Note. Here you can see I have this keyboard. You can see when I tap on the key, it pops up. So that is the color when you tap on the key when it pops up. The Shift key and the backspace key also has a different customized color. So that's how you can customize your keyboard color and the keys color. You can also apply a background image as well if you wanted to. Now, whenever you want to switch your keyboard color, just open up Theme Park. And here we've got some other keyboard colors as well. You can just tap on Applied. And that will allow you to quickly switch between different colors on your keyboard. And that's it. So we can create a new keyboard. And then we save this one as the default. So I say default. So if I want to go back to the default, I can tap on Applied. This will allow me to bring my keyboard back to the default. Or you can also choose unapplied as well. So here we can tap on it and then tap on unapplied. So we are not applying any style to our keyboard. So here's the standard keyboard. So we have removed all the style. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.